Welcome to Shefware IMAP to Office 365 Migration. Launch the application and click Create Migration Job to start a new migration project. Now provide your source IMAP account details, including the email address, password, IMAP server, and port number. After verifying the information, click Next. Next, sign into your Microsoft 365 Administrator account to authorize the destination tenant. After both connections are established successfully, you'll be redirected to the mailbox mapping page. Now map the mailbox with the mailbox of Office 365 to which you want to migrate. Review the mailbox mapping and confirm the selection to continue. Now choose whether you want to migrate complete mailbox or selected folders. If you want to migrate specific folders, select the specific folders you want to migrate. You can migrate your data to target folder if you want to do so, and can also apply date filter to filter out the data. Once done with filters, click on Start Migration to start migration. Now transferring your IMAP mailbox data to Office 365. The migration progress can be monitored in real time. You can review the migration report for complete details of the migrated mailboxes and overall job status. You can also export the history if you wanted to do so in Excel format. If you are having any trouble, you can read how it works, documents or video tutorials, and for further assistance we have email support and live chat option too. Thanks for watching. Head over to shefware.com to download the software.